Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install Windows on another HDD, SSD, no USB drive required. So without further ado, let's get right into it. A straightforward way to install Windows directly onto another Disk HDD, SSD without creating a USB installer. Here's the process explained step by step. Requirements: a working Windows PC, the target HDD, SSD connected directly via SATA or NVMe, a Windows ISO, Windows 10 or 11, downloaded from Microsoft. The Win2HDD software, free version, works fine for installing home editions. Install and launch Win2HDD. Download Win2HDD from the official EasyUEFI site. Install it and open the program. On the main interface, choose New Installation. Select the ISO. Browse to your Windows ISO file. Win2HDD will scan it and show available editions, Home, Pro, etc. Select the edition you want to install. Choose the target drive. Carefully select the HDD, SSD, where Windows should be installed. Double-check the drive size and name to avoid wiping the wrong disk. Choose the partition style, MBR for legacy BIOS systems, GPT for modern UEFI systems. Installation process: check the options if you want to bypass internet connection requirement and disable automatic device encryption. Click Next and let Win2HDD apply the image. This usually takes some time depending on drive speed. Once complete, the drive has a fresh Windows installation ready. Boot from the new drive. If using the same PC, go into BIOS, UEFI and set the new drive as the first boot device. If sending the drive to a client, they simply connect it to their PC. On first boot, Windows will continue setup OOBE or out-of-box experience, region, keyboard, account creation, just like a brand new system. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.